how to withdraw money from Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So today I will be showing you one of the easiest ways to withdraw from Binance, and for that just click on the top right hand side corner, obviously after opening up Binance. So it is basically Binance Pay, and over here you will find various options. Just select the option of send cash and wait for it to load. After that just select the currency that you want to receive and then select the crypto that you want to use in order to receive the currency. I'm selecting BTC over here, and after that just type the amount that you want to use, and this way it will calculate all the amount on its own. Then select the way that you want to receive the money for. You can choose your bank account, you can also choose UPI or IMPS or other methods according to your country. So this way you would be able to withdraw from Binance to your bank account, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.